composition and decomposition, we should recognize the type of reaction based on the chemical equation, and we should also be able to predict the products of composition reactants. So that's basically what we're going to try to get out of here. This is just a first out of a couple different types of reactions we're going to study. So, and these are related, and we'll get into the next ones tomorrow, maybe. So don't write this down. So we base, similar to how we classify matter as like elements and compounds and mixtures, we classify reactions in based on their similarities. So here we're going to talk about a couple. So composition, also referred to as synthesis, sometimes. And Mr. Costa, have you heard of any other terms like this that is sometimes commonly called? Accommodation. Accommodation. So these are a couple examples, and I'll let you write. The key thing to recognize composition reactions are that we have one single type of product in multiple reactants. Yes? Yes. So that's a key thing. So in all composition reactions, we're going to have multiple products, multiple reactants, and a single product. We're making one substance. Yep. That's okay. Okay? A reactant. Here's a model of it. No, you guys just look up here. Don't have to write this down. Where if we have magnesium reacting with chlorine, we make magnesium chloride. See, we have two separate reactants, chlorine and magnesium, that come together to form one single product. Okay? This is an example of composition. They're coming together to form a single product. Make sense? All right. Moving on, decomposition. Decomposition reactant has a single reactant and multiple products. I'll let you guys copy this down first. The key thing here, guys, is when you're looking at these, that there's one single reactant, and we all have multiple products. Okay, that's the key thing here. You have one thing breaking down into more than one thing. That's the model of decomposition. So, when modeling decomposition, here we have one single type of particle, and it forms into two separate types of particle. Here we have copper 2 chloride, and it breaks down into copper and chlorine. Okay? All right. So now let's move on. I want you guys to figure out some of the following. Write these down. Write down if these are composition, decomposition, or other. So let's go over these, guys. What's the first one? What type of reaction? First one, decomposition. Yep. We have one reactant and two products. What about the second one? That's composition. We have two products, two reactants, one product. How about the third one? Another decomposition.
Which one was decomposition again?
And what about this one?
Other.
This is other.
What do you mean other?
It's not, this isn't composition or decomposition. Yep. And what about this one? Composition. Good. All right. You know, let's, why don't we move on? I think we're running out of time. I'll post this on Schoology if you guys want to practice or challenge. We'll move on. Obviously.